Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to another little try on video. So y'all gonna wind down and chill with me today, okay? It's the end of the day. I'm settling in, drinking on my wine, and we about to jump into these here booty jeans, okay? Because when I say Walmart has got my life once again, like, come through Walmart, okay? So I just want to tell y'all a little bit about my like weight gain journey and the whole reason I had to go out and buy like all them pants. Part of this haul is because I really liked Walmart jeans. Y'all saw I bought a couple pair last time on my last Walmart haul. And girl, the main reason I went out and bought all new jeans is because I can't fit no more of my jeans, okay? I'm on this little weight gain journey. I'm trying to gain a little weight. I've been in the gym, hitting my squats, you know, building my little booty or whatever, and it's been working. So yeah, girl, I just went and stocked up on some new Walmart pants to fit this here new booty, okay? And I'm about to give y'all all the tea how these Walmart jeans just are like bomb to like sculpt out your booty and your shape. And girl, like, let's just go ahead and get into it. So for this little haul, I just got 5 pair of jeans. I am going back to get some more. Let me tell y'all, all of these jeans and jeggings I bought were under $20. Under $20. Like, at Fashion Nova, Walmart is coming for you. Like, they coming for y'all heads. They coming for all y'all little boutiques because y'all just gonna see y'all. But anyway, I want to start with all my jeggings. I really like jeggings, especially if you're a curvy girl. Like, I'm skinny, but I'm like a little bit of curvy, so sometimes it's hard to fit pants to like fit your curves, you know what I'm saying? So with jeggings, you can just, they're like almost like leggings, so they basically just fit any shape. So I really love me some jeggings, okay? And they make your booty pop, okay? I'm sure y'all heard of Walmart's new brand, Time and True, and I got all my jeggings from this brand. These were $12.88 for all 3 of these jeggings I'm about to show y'all. And y'all, these jeggings, look at these. They don't even look like jeggings when you're looking at them. They look like jeans. Girl, look at this wash. The material, woohoo! Look at that stretch. Ooh, girl. And what I love about these jeggings is that they really have like belt holes, and they really have pockets in the back. Like, what? They don't have pockets in the front. It's just the pocket, the whole pocket illusion going on up there, but they do have pockets. Okay, they do have pockets in the back to really make it look like some real jeans. And y'all, I just love these. One thing I really love about all of Walmart pants is that they stop. They stop right on time. One thing y'all know about me is I'm a short girl, and I hate flooding pants, like when you gotta bunch them up at the bottom. So all of their pants just stop right on time. They are short girl friendly, curvy girl friendly. Like, girl, I got these in a size small, which is 4 to 6, and they just sculpt out your booty so good. They hug you in all the right places. Like, I just really love these jeggings. I got these in like a deep blue wash. They had like all types of washes. Like, seriously, they had brown, they had green, they had light wash, they had medium, they had just black. They had everything, which I think I am gonna stock up on them. But I am officially a fan. I'm officially a fan. All right, y'all, my next pair of jeggings, they are like basically the same, but just a lighter wash. Like, look at how pretty these are. Super duper pretty. So yeah, same type of design, like the whole belt loops, the pockets in the back. $12.88 as well. I also got these in a small, and y'all, these are just so cute. I love lighter wash jeans. And let me tell y'all a little booty secret. Lighter wash jeans, lighter wash jeggings, whatever, lighter wash pants have your booty popping, okay? I feel like lighter colors just bring out your curves. It really like exemplifies what you wear. So girl, get you some light wash jeggings, okay? Your booty will be popping. My last pair of jeggings, I just got black. I love wearing black pants. I know they like kind of hide your curves and kind of hide your weight when you wear black stuff, but I just love black pants because I feel like I'm always wearing something black or something that goes with black. So yeah, I just got like a regular pair of blackies, but they still fit so nice. They still made my booty pop, still made, you know, everything look good and right and tight or whatever. So it's just a staple that you always gotta have like some black pants. Like, you gotta have at least like 2 or 3 black pair of pants or jeggings in your closet, okay? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and jump into like the jeans, or I don't know if it's jean or denim, but it's like, you know, like jeans, but it's like stretchy. And these are the No Boundary brand jeans, and I had to get a size 7. Y'all, last time, it's so crazy how much I gained weight so quick, because last time I got a size 3, and they were a little bit small when I got them, I'm not gonna lie, but that was just like, what, a month ago, and now I'm in a size 7. Like, what? But size 7 fit perfectly. The No Boundaries are $14.88, girl, not even $15. So I just think these are so worth it to go back and get all the washes, okay? Unfortunately, I didn't see my size in all the washes because I wanted like the lighter wash. I wanted all of them, girl, but they didn't have them, you know, all in my size. So their jeans are just bomb because they're so soft and so stretchy. Like, who you know got stretchy jeans like this? Like, they just, and they fit so good and they feel so comfortable. It kind of feels like you're wearing jeggings, but they feel more sturdy, and you know, because obviously they're like pants. I don't know what to call them, pants, denim, jeans, whatever, but you know, it's just that strong quality material, but you still get that good stretch. Like, yes. And the wash on these pants are so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. All the pockets work, girl. Oh no, they don't. Yeah, they're kind of like jeggings. Like, they don't have the real pockets in the front. They got a little bit, like a little bit. You could probably put a little penny up in there, but the pockets in the back do work. The belt loops and everything. They are high-rise pants, which is another thing I love. I love me some high-waist pants because you can wear like crop shirts with it, you know what I'm saying? They also stop right on time. That's just, I think that's my key thing I love about Walmart pants, and because they just are so short girl friendly, and they just like, that's just, thank you. Like, thank you for stopping right on my ankles, okay? Because them long jeans, I just can't get with it. That's the difference about, like, I found with the Fashion Nova super high waist pants are really long. Like, them pants is long, girl. They be bunched up like about this much at the bottom at the ends, okay? With Walmart, like, high waist jeans, they stop, like, boom. I really feel like that boot cut look is just, that's popping, okay? So Walmart, I don't know if I'm ordering from Fashion Nova no more. I'm just saying, okay? I can go right to the local Water World, okay? My last pants, I'm wearing them, so I gotta take them off to show you. Don't judge me. I wore these pants today. I got 2 kids, okay? They got a little messy. These are the same as the last ones I just showed y'all, $14.88. They're more like a denim, whatever material, but still stretchy. I just got another black pair. Like I told y'all, I keep black pairs of pants in my closet. So I got me another black pair of pants. I love Walmart's black pants because, like I told y'all, the other 2 pair of black pants I got from Walmart still look good. They did not fade out yet, okay? They still rocking good. They still nice and strong. Still got the same type of feel from when I first bought them. And they are only $14.88, which is like mind-blowing to me because, girl, you can get pants for under $20 that fit good and that are like, you know, alright quality. I am all for affordableness. I am like truly a fan of Walmart pants. One thing no, I don't like shopping at Walmart, like physically going into the store. I just feel like they treat everybody like a criminal. Like, when I'm leaving, let me see your receipt. I mean, they don't really say it like that, but you know, that's how you feel, because it's like, I just spend my money here though. Like I'm giving you business, and I just feel like they watch you, and they just, I don't know, every time I go in Walmart I feel like a criminal. I feel like I have to make sure I look like I'm not stealing. Am I the only one who feel that way? So Walmart, that's something y'all need to change, okay? Have a little more appreciation for your customers, because I do not feel appreciated when I shop at Walmart. I honestly do not. And they be having you wait at the jewelry counter for hours. Like, can I get some service around here? Why is nobody ever at the jewelry counter? I just don't understand. I gotta walk all the way over to the other side of the store to try to get some help, and then it takes them 15 minutes to even show up. Like, what is that? So that's one thing. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I do not like Walmart. I really don't. I like some of the stuff at Walmart. Obviously, y'all see me buying a whole bunch of clothes from Walmart. I like some of the stuff at Walmart. I like the prices of the stuff, you know what I'm saying? But as far as like customer service, no. This is why I switched over to being a Target girl. But honestly, Target jeans, I really have for Target pants. I feel like they're too hard and too like, I might have to try again. Let me know, thumbs up if y'all want to see like a Target haul. I'll try to go in there and find some cute stuff. And I do find cute stuff. Like, I got my coat from Target. I get a lot of like fashionable stuff from Target, like my hats, my shirts, my boots, my purses. I get my whole life, okay, at Target. But it's just the jeans that I haven't really found. Like, I haven't really found it at Target. So I might try again. Y'all let me know if that's something y'all want to see. I'll go to Target and try to find some nice affordable pants. But I just feel like Walmart takes the cake with these jeggings and their jeans. They just, They affordable, they fit good, they make your booty look nice. Like, what more could you ask for, okay? Like I said, the only thing I don't like about Walmart is the customer service. That's why I don't really go in there a whole lot. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this quick little haul. Like I said, let me know if y'all want to see some other stuff from other stores. I would definitely do that. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video, and I will see y'all then. Bye.